day 2. And we're on this treacherous little bit of terrain, trying to get out here at low tide to these sandy patches. Well, apparently this guy reckons he caught some King George whiting before. Just don't slip and break your legs though on these rocks. Oh mate, this guy. Have a look what he's bringing us into. Ugh. Look at this guy getting all excited. Is that something just in front of you between those rocks? You need a float hanging over it, I reckon. Have a look at him. He's just got a bite. He's a bit excited. Size of these waves though. I think I've got to come in a little bit further. Have a look, he's about to get washed away. Oh, this gear's not going to last here.
Not the target species, but we'll keep him.
There's a seal up on the rocks here. That's awesome. See if I can get a bit closer and say g'day. G'day, buddy. Hello. Hello. He's having a scratch. You having a scratch? Oh, here he goes. Back in the drink. There he goes. This guy over here chasing King Georgie. I'm here catching his fat mullet. He's got the old boys coming over now. I'm going to surf for his fishing.
Mullet! They're just swimming at my feet here. Hey? Yeah, they're just swimming here at my feet. Mate, I got a flatty and a blue throat. Mate, I got a flatty and a blue throat.
He's got a double header.
No shit. Mate. It's not a blue throat, but it's one of those scumbags. Yeah, baby! Hey! Mate! Mate! Never doubt! Mate! You doubt? You always doubt me, don't you? You're like, oh fuck, won't get anything here. See you later. Mate! He killed me, like he sliced me. Oh mate! Oh my! Ooh, my feet will get wet.
The bags will fucking wash away, mate.
Mate! Mate! Have a look, mate. Hey?
Look at the goods, eh?
Look at the goods.
Look what I did. I went to put my shorts on.
Mate, that's time you could have had line in the water.
Yeah, well I caught a fucking mullet down there, mate.
Mate,
And I snapped on. Some awesome spots down there, but there's just...
mate,
That one, that looks a bit different again too.
mate. Not here to muck about.
That's what I thought you'd come here for, mate.
Mate, you doubt the A man.
You got no...
You doubt the A man. There's no end in sight. Woo! Easter mullet madness.
Easter mullet madness. Day 2. Isn't it? Probably more successful than some fucking charters we've been on, mate. That's how you catch a nice decent mullet. Yep. Hope everyone's hungry for mullet. Oh mate. Come here to fish, not the fucking secretary. Hold that then.
You're right there.
Adrian's personal assistant, eh?
Look at that, mate.
Look at this guy. Just take it. You're gonna come right up to my toes.
Right, Danny, I've got him for you, mate.
Oh! Mate, going over me line. That gilly come off.
Oh, he came back. Woo! Thanks, buddy. Just made my life easy.
Decent one.
And that decent size down here.
I got 2 and I was like, oh, well, that was the goal, to get a couple.
Oh, what are you there, buddy? What's the limit on these?
There isn't.
30 a day? These are fat too, man.
Yeah.
These are decent fish. Another beautiful mullet.
Johnny, show us what you got.
Better. Oh, there goes his bag.
Fucking dirty dog.
Oh, he knew that was going to happen though, didn't he?
No, I didn't. Got wallets and phones.
It's because it is different. Look at that pretty boy. Or girl.
Looks like a girlfish, doesn't it? Like a,
Yeah, Susan. I'm going to
Like
call it Susan.
it's like an 80s punk rocker or something. Mohawk.
Yeah. G'day, Susan. Oh. 80s, like Cyndi Lauper, kind of like a pop,
Yeah.
like a punky look, but she just sings sweet little pop songs. See ya, Cindy. Woo. Hook up. Double header, come on, get a double. Oh, lost one. But that's a fat mullet, mate. I don't give a pig's bum who you are. That is a... Ah! Look at this! Catch him with my bare hands. No, that's alright. That's alright. I've got all that on film too. See if I can't throw this one back, eh? You got something or what? Mate, this is just... Can't keep up with them. Another double? No. Come on, we've got to get that elusive double hook up, double header. Well, I'm saving the bait. It's catch and release, mate. It's catch and release. Catch them, put them in the bag, let them escape to freedom. Yeah. Range, mate. I reckon we've got to read that signal. Signal was there was about 10,000 of these guys there before. I can't see one now. Apart from this one I just caught. Saying about the season? Going through a seasonal change?
Yeah, mate.
And how's that affect the fish?
Well, species go quiet, other species become active.
Yeah, that's true.
I think mullet are a bit of an autumn fish,
Yep.
moving in the autumn. And Bob's your uncle.
Sharing the knowledge and catching fish at the same time. Adrian, what did you just say about that fish I caught?
Rip snorter.
Rip snorter. That's what we say down under. Means it's a good fish. Just switched over to a little float gar rig. Let's go with a little bit smaller bait because I was just starting to slow down on the bigger baits. And first cast, beautiful. Just insane how quick you can catch these guys. I don't even care that he got off because you watch this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and they're on it. Decent mullet, mate. There's got to be thousands here. They're just everywhere. It's number 57, I reckon. Beautiful specimen. Bag's getting a bit full. We're not going to fit too many more. Oh! That was alright. He just unhooked himself right as he was about to come out the water. You get one salmon, but he was a bit small. I'm hoping there's a couple bigger ones around. Instead of 27,000 mullet. Look at him, straight on it. Like a pack of dogs. Ready? 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 See that? Woohoo! Chuck him back, go for bigger. Hope you guys can see all that fish here. Oh, here we go. Beautiful. Big fatty. Nice big fatty. Bit small, you can go back. Ooh. That was a beast of a mullet. Woohoo! Very nice. Mullet is a seal over here somewhere, and this joker off on his own. And our little islands are starting to go underwater, so I won't be able to stay here too much longer. But still catching big fat mullies. Another beautiful mullet.
Wow, cool. Sorry, Johnny. Something going on here. And it's called King George, mate. It's called King George. Woo! Georgie, mate! Georgie!
doing, buddy? Ah, turn the camera on for that after catching the King George. Oh. This is a decent boy. Oh. That is a ripper. Oh man. This King George is 38. So if you're getting bored catching mullet, just go for a bit of a wander and see what you can do. Sometimes it pays off. Oh, fat bastard. Just caught an 80s punk rocker.